Hello, welcome to our next cooking class with youth included and urban creatives. Natalia, do you want to introduce the next lesson?
Hello, thank you for meeting with us today. My name is Natalia and I'm responsible for Urban Creatives Project. And today our host Chiara will present a summer menu which will consist of grilled watermelon salad. Bon appetit.
Okay, so grilled watermelon. How come that some watermelon can be grilled? Like this, you just take a steak pan and you warm it up very good. So you warm it when you feel that it's warm enough, you put the slices cut more or less 1.5 to 2 centimeters of watermelon. And we simply leave it grilling. Then we prepare on the plate some salad, some corn salad, and we put mozzarella on it in slices, in dice, in just cut in big pieces. This is up to you, up to your taste. Then we can prepare bread in the oven or in the steak pan as well. We can roast it. And in the meantime that the watermelon gets ready, we will prepare a mix of extra virgin olive oil, honey, if you like, and balsamic vinegar. So I will prepare the mix now, very fastly. So we have it. Honey, of course, is not. You are not obliged to put honey. It's up to you if you like it or not. If you like the taste of bittersweet, then you add. Otherwise, no. Balsamic vinegar. I will put also later some. Leave it aside. And some oil. Extra virgin olive oil, and there is also the chance to put some mint leaves if you like. Otherwise, it will be enough like this. Some salt on the mozzarella, just a bit. And we mix it. Now, for the concerning watermelon, we just have to leave it as it is, and then once it's a bit black on the back, then we grill the other side. Okay, it's starting to be black on the back, so we can start grilling the other part.
Can you show it closer to the camera?
Sorry?
Can you show it closer to the camera?
Sure.
How it's supposed to look like?
Sure, look. This, if you see, is already a bit grilled. Consider that we don't leave it too much on the same surface to be grilled.
Okay.
We do it step by step, so the heat will go inside, not all together. Some more salad. Of course, the salad, I use the corn salad, but it can be also the baby spinach, can be any salad you like. I wouldn't put rucola, because rucola, the rocket salad, is bitter. So it will be really a stronger taste, and the watermelon will disappear. The taste of watermelon will disappear. So any salad can be fine. Okay. We have it almost done. So I will cut a piece and show you. Like it should be black on the back, on both sides. Okay, and we can start putting it on the salad. We start from the darker pieces. Just pay attention not to scratch the pan. And we can finish grilling bread now here, instead of leaving it all the time in the oven. We can finish grilling on the pan. Okay. I think this is enough, because otherwise it will be too much sweet. And then the bread is almost grilled, so we put the mix on the salad. You can add also some pepper if you like, if you wish. And this is, we put bread here. You can put also some oil if you want, or you can just put also some mozzarella and let it melt. And this is our salad. And now you have the taste of not the taste, the worm of the watermelon. Mozzarella is called, and you have the contrast on the flavor. And yeah, this is really fast to do. You can use also any other kind of cheese, like for example, you can use also some delicate milk cheese. Doesn't have to be mozzarella, but can be any sweet cheese, let's say. Delicate taste. As I told you, you can use also the mint if you like the taste of mint. And I would just eat it outside on the balcony with a glass of something fresh, and that's it. And enjoy the summer taste.
That looks delicious.
Sorry?
That looks delicious.
Well, it's strange. It's a strange matching, but it is good. I have to say that is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of my favorite salads, and because salads only with when you often go to the restaurants in Italy or in other places, you just have some tomatoes and some green salad, and that's it.
Yeah, that's what I picture when I think about salad.
Exactly. But this kind of salad is something different. You can put even nuts. You could put together with this. You can put pine nuts. You can put almonds. Everything is suitable with this kind of salad. It's something different. Then you can free your fantasy and put whatever you want. Just you have to pay attention to not to take some stronger tastes, because otherwise the watermelon disappears.
Can you recommend other cheese than mozzarella to be put into the salad?
Yes, there can be some very delicate. I know that they do. I had it a couple of times. Some very delicate mixed cheese from how is it called? Not the sheep, the other one, but it can be also sheep, goat, delicate goat, or delicate sheep milk, possibly mixed with cow milk because it's more delicate. Can be also joined with cheese and truffle. Can be used, for example, instead of mozzarella, you can use Parmigiano as well. So,
and Parmigiano is not too strong for
you put
watermelon?
less. It depends from the seasoning. If you put the 12 or 14 months, it's okay. When the seasoning is higher, then the taste is stronger. So I don't recommend. But fresh Parmigiano, yes, I can say it's a good match.
Okay. That's interesting as well.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope you will enjoy this salad.
Mm-hmm. Can you just tell me, is there any specific area in Italy from which this recipe is coming from, or is it something that you discovered by chance?
No. There are some regions, especially in the south and in the coast. These regions facing to the coast, where the weather is really hot in summer, so we need something fresh. And we use this kind of salads because sometimes having dinner, it's too much to cook. So we just have a salad. Grill is very often on, so we can grill vegetables and we can grill watermelon and put in the salad. So mostly I would say from the coast, but not regionally. This is not doesn't come from a specific region.
Okay,
this is just from the coast, because it's we have a lot of watermelon in the summer, really a lot. And this one, I have to say, is very, very sweet. Very sweet.
Great.
Yeah, it's really great. I was not expecting. I think it's the first time I buy such sweet watermelon in Prague, but it's really good. Really good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much for this delicious meal, and hopefully next time we will be able to see each other in person.
Oh, but look, there is someone.
Yes, there was one person who couldn't. I'm stopping the recording now.
Ah, okay.